Hey there, I'm Arthur with Innovative Journaling. And so today's unique is a combination of things, and it's wrapped around our Valentine's Day special, and that'll run through Valentine's Day. So it's not just for today only, it's through February 14th. So the first thing we have is go see our love letter writing course. We created a course for you to teach you how to write a love letter. And you'll see the link below and how to get that. It's free. The other thing is we also made a stamp. This is a stamp of a heart. It looks like this on a book. And so the special for Valentine's Day is any one of our journals, or even a bag if you want, but any one of our journals, we will put this stamp on there for free, plus we'll give you up to 10 spaces of personalization below. So these are the two books we gave away on Friday, Bonnie and Clyde, and we did that to them. And then each book comes with a matching bookmark. So this went with this. This goes with this. You can see the stamp on there. And then here's one I made for an employee of ours, Bianca. And this was our test one, but we just put the stamp on there when we got it, and then there's her name underneath it. So if you want to use initials, a first name, a nickname, whatever. But all of our journals get their cover stamp free with up to 10 spaces of personalization under it. Normally that would be about $45, but it's free now with any size journal that we sell. And if you want it on a bag too, just let us know. If you want different placement than what we've shown here, then just put that in the comments box when you check out. Tell us how you want things done, and that's how we'll do it for you. Okay, and that's it. So get that love letter writing course. It's awesome. And it's so much more than a love letter writing course, as you'll see when you download it. We'll see you later. Bye.